In 4 days, they'll double in size on a diet of insects and nectar. A male bee hummingbird, looking for a mate and dressed to impress. But this female's busy. She's caring for 2 chicks, just hatched from eggs the size of coffee beans into a home the size of an espresso cup. In 4 days, they'll double in size on a diet of insects and nectar. Providing all this food is a mammoth task. Hummingbirds burn energy faster than any other animal, so she must visit hundreds of flowers a day. She's so tiny, bugs are major competition.
Hard-shelled nuts hide mouth-watering treasures inside. The troop's youngsters watch, learn, and train. But curiously, all this skill and effort is not in fact employed in the hunt for seeds, but something even more valuable and scarce: protein. These capuchin monkeys are collecting the succulent larvae that feed on the nuts inside the hard shells.
Powerful Arctic skewers defend their eggs with aggression. If the flying fish get too much lift, they become easy prey for the frigates. It's a game of hide and seek, played out amongst the waves. With the help of the Dorado, the wily frigate bird has become a flying fish specialist. And without getting a single feather wet.
Finding fresh food here is much harder. A Brazil nut pod is too tough for most animals, but not in agouti. What she can't eat now, she'll bury for later. She's nervous by nature, and for good reason. A margay is only slightly bigger than a house cat, but a lot deadlier. The dark forest floor conceals one Brazil nut the agouti left behind. Slowly growing in the shadows, playing the long game. From small beginnings, giants emerge.